Hello, welcome. Today's video is an unboxing of a high-end mystery box. I saw my friend Liz from Chicago talking about this person that does wonderful mystery boxes, and I also saw Teresa is not dead talking about her, so I just had to try. She's her name is Amy, and it's in Poshmark. I'm gonna leave her link down below. Her boxes sold out really fast, so I was lucky to get one. She sells them on Wednesdays and Saturdays at 2 o'clock Eastern time, so I was lucky to be able to grab one. And she has different tiers. I got the biggest one. I think it's the largest one, which is for $299, I think it is. Yeah, like $300, and you get more than $600 worth of products. She did reach out to me and asked me if I wanted complexion products and more or less what were my shades, so if include something for my complexion. So I'm really excited to try it out. This is what the box looks like. It's really, everything looks it's weighty, and everything is packed very tightly. And she has like really cute stickers. Let me cover up the addresses here, but she has like stickers all over. It says "Yay, I'm here," and it's just cute. Little stickers everywhere, and then here in the bottom as well. So let's start by opening it and see what's inside. I'm kind of nervous to see what she sent me and if it's worth it or not. So if there's anything that I already have or anything that might not work for me, I would put it aside for a giveaway. I also want to say the shipping is pretty fast, considering, you know, she's not a huge company, it's just her. I ordered this last Saturday. I'm filming this on a Sunday. I ordered it on Saturday and I got it on Friday, so in less than a week I got my package. By what I've seen in other videos, in Liz and Teresa video, Teresa's not dead video, she packs everything very tight, which is great. It's a pain in the butt to open it, but it's great because I know that things won't come broken. So she puts a little sticker here that says "My small business dependas." That's so cute. Dependas on your review. To leave a review, select add comment on order acceptance page. That's so cute. Dependas on you. And there's a sticker that says "Buy me cold brew and tell me I'm pretty." Buy me cold brew and tell me I'm pretty. It's also little detail, little touches that I really enjoy. It says "Thank you for your purchase" at Little Amy G 817, and it's a pin or a magnet or something. The donut. That is so cute. And then there's a card with my name on it. Dianelys. It says "Thank you." It's a Starbucks lady. I don't know her name, but the Starbucks lady. Coffee, coffee, coffee. Says "Thank you so much for your purchase, Dianelys. Your $299 mystery box is valued at approximately $622. The Drunk Elephant product retail value of $68 is a free gift." Awesome. I haven't tried anything from Drunk Elephant, so that's nice. Alright, so this is what it looks like inside. A lot of paper, what are they called, foozles. And what I'm going to do, because I am on my vanity and I don't have that much space, I'm going to take out everything, put it on the table, and then we'll go one by one. And there's a lot of things in here. A lot. I'm so excited. Oh, and there's a price list, which I'm going to leave for the end. Just in packaging alone, all that time and effort to put in to get everything also so well wrapped and everything is just amazing. In the bottom of the box is like a Starbucks sticker, decorated like Starbucks. Oh, there's another sticker with her name, her Poshmark name. That's probably maybe her Instagram handle as well. So I'm going to put everything, all the information down below in the description box, so you guys could check her out. She has, I think her first tier is $99 and then it goes up, but I got the $299. Alright, let's start with on top. There's like at least 10 items here. Let's start with the bigger items that they're right here in front of me. Look how everything is wrapped so pretty. It's a pain in the butt to open, but still. And then there's like a bunch of little sticker, little what's this called? I forgot the word. Those little things, confetti, in the shape of like coffee mugs and stuff. I'm gonna need to cut it. Sorry. The stickers are so cute, but I have to cut it. Okay, it's an eyeshadow palette. Is it Nars? Yes! Sorry. The Nars Summer Unrated Eyeshadow Palette. I don't have this palette, do I? No, this is the newest one, right? I don't have this palette. Oh, I didn't purchase it. I almost did. And I'm so glad that I didn't, because look now. Throw away the box. I don't need the box. Yes. Oh, I'm so excited. There's always a little like nervousness about mystery boxes because you know you're not like what you get. But so far, I wanted this palette and I didn't get it for some reason. And I know why I didn't get it because I had so many eyeshadow palettes. But I did want it. Oh, this is so nice. Let's go on to the next big palette. I think it's a palette and it looks like one of those Pat McGrath long palette. I'm not saying it is, but the shape of it. But let's see what it is. Gemini 2 Melt Cosmetics. I have highlighters from and blushes from Melt Cosmetics, but not eyeshadow palettes. Is this the new one? I think this is the new one. Look how pretty that is. Oh yeah, this is the new one. Look at those greens. You got orange in the middle. And these shades are calling my name. Very nice. I don't have this. Awesome. Two things I don't have and I know I'm gonna love. Exciting. Isn't it exciting? Okay, let's go now in another pink packaging. Chanel. Sorry. Oh my god. Multi-Effect Tisse Camellia. I don't have this. Do I have this? No, I don't think I have it. Okay, it's a typical quad. Do I have this? Tisse Camellia. I don't know if I already have it. If I have it, of course I'm going to put it aside. I think I have it. Yes, I have this eyeshadow quad. Let me take off the lid so I could show you, but I have this quad. I remember now. I'm going to leave it aside for a giveaway. So help me get to 1,000 so I could do the giveaway faster. Oh, you know what? Maybe instead of a giveaway, I'm thinking one of my aunt's anniversaries coming up. I might give it to her as a gift. Let's see. It's from Ilia. Oh, nice. The multi-stick face palette with shea butter, orange peel wax, and avocado oil. I do like the mascara. That's, I think, the only thing I've tried from Ilia. This is like the face palette. So it's like blushes and oh, it's like cream, blushes, bronzer, and highlighter. I don't know if I'll use this again. I'm repeating myself, but if I don't get to decide not to use it, I'll put it away for a giveaway. If I wasn't expecting Chantecaille, I already have this quartet definitely for a giveaway. I have it. I love it, love it, love it. Do you guys want to see it? Yeah, let me show you. Actually, let me show you mine so I don't have to open it. I love this quartet. I've used it many times. Here it is. And here's what it looks like. In case you haven't seen it before, I have used it many times. I love it and I am so excited and surprised that Chantecaille is included here too. Oh, amazing. Let's see another wrap. Oh, Tatra. Something from Tatra. Oh my god, I don't have anything from Tatra. I mean, I've tried samples, but I don't have a full size of Tatra. Oh my god, I think I might get one of these boxes every 3 months. Every 6 months or so. Tatra Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. Oh my god, this is amazing. For normal to dry skin. This I'm keeping. For sure. Now the spring, summer's coming. It's always hot here. I'm definitely keeping this. Here it is. Here's what it looks like. It's a beautiful bottle. How exciting. Something from the Dior Backstage Air Flash Foundation. Oh, that's why she asked me about the complexion. I already have this foundation, but I'm gonna keep it as a backup because it's one of my favorite foundations. The Dior Backstage Air Flash Foundation. In the shade 1C. And I think the shade I have is actually a little bit too dark for me. It's good like for the summer months. Let me see. This is the one I have, and this one's 2CR. So she gave me one that's lighter, which is awesome. I got a shade that will probably work better with me. I have something here. Oh my god, this is Dior. What is this? The Forever Skin Correct Concealer. My favorite concealer. I have one now. I have one using now, and I have a backup. Now I have another backup, and it is the shade 1N, which is my shade. I did tell her it's my favorite concealer. And then from Gucci, the Rouge de Beauté Brilliant, the shade My Cousin Rachel. I don't have this shade. Let's see what color it is. I'm feeling it's like pink. Oh no. Oh, beautiful. I love this formula. So yes, keeping this. Okay, what is this? Hourglass, the Vanish Seamless Finish Concealer Brush, and the YSL, the curler, the mascara volume. Oh yes, I think I have this one, but it's already about to expire. No, I don't have this one. So another mascara to try. And the Hourglass brush. Oh, how nice. Beautiful. Look at this, how cute. 2 little stickers. From Fenty. Semi-matte lipsticks. These probably the refills. Yeah, they're refills. Which is great. Well, this is the Posh Queen. No, Pose Queen and Matha Lava. Oh, it smells so good. Let's swatch them. I didn't swatch the one from Gucci. I'm gonna swatch it too. These are like semi-matte. It's not a pretty wrap. Oh, this is from a previous video that I did. I'm sorry about that. I didn't take it off. This is, which is called? I already took out the box. And I don't know which is which. Oh, this is Mother Lava. And the other one must be, I threw away the box. I can't, somewhere on the floor. Well, the other one. This is more brown. Like it. Here it is. I'm gonna swatch the Gucci one because I didn't swatch it before. Yeah, they're like bomb, but I love them. This is the Gucci one. It's more balmy. I like it. I got the case from Fenty, the Fenty Icon, the case. We're supposed to put it in here. I think it clicks. Take off the lid. You pop it in, and then when you want it again, you just pop it out. And there you go. It's a single eyeshadow from MAC. I haven't tried MAC in years. This is the Naked Lunch Frost. Here you go. Let's do a swatching. Very light. Can barely see it. See, it's there. Very light. I like it. And then the free item, the Virgin Medulla Luxury Facial Oil. I've heard great things, awesome things about this product, so I'm very excited to try. I do have dry skin, so any oils are welcome. I'm always welcome for new things. This is what the packaging looks like. It says that it is rich in antioxidants and omega 6 and 9. And this is what the bottle looks like. Apply 2 to 3 drops to face, neck, chest, hands, back of arms, or any place needing increased moisture without any greasy residue for balanced, glowing, healthy looking skin. Very exciting. Alright, so let's recap and look at the price list and see what the retail values are for everything. I know definitely it's more than what I paid for, definitely. I got a little paper at the end of the order and paper clip. It says love. That's very cute. Alright, let's go to the price list. New release. There are most of it is new releases, and I'm very surprised because I would think, well, based on the videos I've seen, I knew that wasn't going to happen, but you would think that a box would probably include like old items, but most of them are new items. The Dior Backstage Air Flash Foundation is $62. Yep, that sounds right. The Forever Skin Correct Concealer is in the 50s. Oh no, $36. Where did I get 50s from? $36. The Fenty Beauty, the case is $12, and then the lipsticks are $40, so $20 each. Okay. The Les L'Homme, the Chanel is $62. That sounds right. The Chantecaille Giraffe Eye Quartet is $74. The YSL mascara is $29. Yes. The Ilia Multi-Stick Face Palette is $42. The Gucci Glow and Care Lip Color is also $42. The Hourglass Vanish Seamless Finish Concealer Brush, $39. The Mel Cosmetics Gemini 2 palette, $58. And the MAC Eyeshadow Naked Lunch is $19. Total value, $622. And I paid $299 plus tax, but no, taxes goes to the state, not to her. $300 for, so I got more than double what I paid for. And that's not the only good. What happened to the Nars palette? Ooh, the Nars palette is not included, so that's extra. So this is more than $162. How much is a Nars palette? Like in the 50s? I remember the price. So it's like $700 worth of stuff. She didn't put in the Nars. That's weird. Anyways, and most of these items I don't have, which is great. And it's items that I would definitely, and the Tatra, she didn't put the Tatra here either. I guess those are free. So we're talking about like almost $800 worth of stuff. Alright, so this I'll definitely use, definitely want. I've always wanted, I just never got it. This as well. And then the Mount Gemini, I thought about it, I just never got it, but I thought about it. The Nars, I definitely thought about it, I almost got it. So that's 2 items. I love the Gucci lipsticks, so I know I'm gonna love this. The Fenty, they're semi-matte, so I gotta see how that will work with my lips, but I'm excited to try those. This I already have, so I'm gonna give it away. The Chantecaille I already have, so I'm giving it away. The Ilia I don't have, but I'm gonna give it away because I probably won't use it. And these 2 I definitely use because I already have them, and this will be my backups. And the MAC I've never tried, and the YSL either, and the brush I haven't used. I don't have any Hourglass brushes. That'll be my first purchase. This is an amazing box. I'm happy, excited, surprised, very surprised that it came with so many nice items and no repeats. I mean, at least only a couple items that I already have, and others that I don't mind getting a double because this stuff is products that I use and I'll need backups for. Eyeshadows last forever, so I don't need a backup of that one. This is really nice. I'm really happy, really excited. I'm gonna leave her information down below in the description box so you guys could check her out. Again, she sells out really fast, so what I did, I put an alarm, and right on 2 o'clock I purchased it. So make sure you're right next to your phone or your computer so you don't run out. And she'll get in touch with you really fast and ask you more or less if you want complexion items, what your shade is, what are your favorite foundations and concealers. And she paid attention to what I wrote, so thank you so much, Amy, for sending me such an amazing box. If you do reach out to her, if you are interested, let her know that I sent you. I don't get any affiliate code or anything like that, but just to let her know that I shared my love for her box because it is amazing. I'll probably get another one like in 3 months or so to see what's going on, to see what's new, because most of them are new items. The Chantecaille is really relatively new, and she put the Mel Cosmetics and the Nars is new. She put a little thing next to the Fenty Beauty. The case and the lipsticks is relatively new. The Chantecaille is new. The Ilia and the Mel Cosmetics, those are new. The rest are not new, but they're really good. Not new releases. So yeah, I'm so happy I got all these items. Can't wait to play with them. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this box. If you have received a box from her before, let me know what you thought of it. If you're interested of purchasing yourself, let me know. Want to hear everything. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you next time. Bye.